Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change your P2P currency in Binance. Alright, so first up, go ahead and open up the app. And once done, make sure that you're under here, under exchange. And after that, at the bottom, you have trade. Okay, tap on trade. And in here, at the top, you'll have P2P. So tap on P2P. And in here, if this is your first time, just like this account, so just tap on yes, I have P2P trading experience. If not, you go ahead and choose a no. Okay, I'm going to tap on yes right here. And then once done, if there'll be some prompts, well, hit on confirm. And then after that, what you'll do is just go ahead and tap on the currency right here, or the currency section at the top right. Okay, so just tap on it. As you can see here, mine is set to US dollars. So to change it, you can go ahead and tap on the currency, if you can see it right here. If not, just go ahead and type it down using the search bar. Okay, let's say PHP, just like so. Then I'm going to tap on PHP right here, and as you can see, as fast as that, our P2P currency has now been changed. That's basically it. And by the way, if you want to change your token, okay, just tap on the token section right here and select the specific token. All right. That is how you change the P2P currency here in Binance. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.